In this video, we are going to see what is a VPN server. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. Normally, when you want to connect to a website on the internet, all your outgoing and incoming traffic and data will go through your internet service provider. Since all your information is in a plain readable format, your ISP or hackers or surveillance agencies or advertisers can see what you are doing on the internet. So without using a virtual private network, your data is under attack. So you can say your data is an unprotected data. It can be hacked. So now we can see how does a VPN server work. That is, if you are using a virtual private network, VPN server is present in that particular network. We can see what is the purpose of this VPN server. When a user runs a VPN client is normally a VPN software that is installed in the device. It establishes a connection between it and the VPN server in the VPN network. VPN client connects you to the VPN server and starts sending your traffic to it through your ISP. All your data is encrypted by the VPN protocols the server is configured with, meaning your ISP or anyone else cannot monitor it. So once the VPN server receives all the encrypted information, it will proceed to decrypt it and forward it to the designated web server. And afterwards, the VPN server will encrypt the data it receives and set web server and send it to you through your internet service provider. Once you receive the data on your device, the VPN client will decrypt it for you. So these are the things that happens within the VPN network where the VPN server plays a major role. Seeing this diagram, we can understand where is the VPN client and where is the server. VPN client is the software in your device. When you initiate that, the data is encrypted and passed in the VPN channel, and the VPN server hides your IP address and your geolocation, and thereby providing increased privacy. And then your the request is passed to the web server, particular web server that is that has got your website, and then this in turn is passed to your device. And another thing the VPN server will do for you is also it hides your IP address that we already said and replace it with its own address. And this server does that to help you hide your geolocation on the internet, allowing you to enjoy even more privacy. So this is all about the VPN server which is present in the VPN network for an enhanced privacy. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented, like and share my videos with your friends.